An online business, like any other business, is driven by profitability. Profits for most businesses are generated through sales. Below are 3 ways to get more people to buy your products. 1. Imply scarcity. There are reasons as to why such a strategy will work. First, proven economic models such as supply and demand have highlighted that fact that the value of a product increases when it is unavailable, rare or scarce. The opposite is also true. Scarcity will make people subconsciously attach more value to the products being sold. Second, human nature has it that potential buyers procrastinate until the right time. A bird in hand is worth several in the bush when it comes to sales. Scarcity lets the procrastinating buyer know that the product will not be available tomorrow or the day after. You can use scarcity of time or scarcity of product. Create scarcity by giving your website visitors a time limit on their offer. This will give them the extra push needed to make quick decisions. You can also create scarcity of the product to make it exclusive so that people feel the need to have it before it runs out. For example, you can use phrases such as, "Don't miss out on this offer, only 2 days left," or use a countdown. "Get yours before they run out. Only 5 pieces left." 2. Use social proof and/or testimonials. Making public the number of sales made and the people flocking to you creates massive amounts of appeal. You can therefore share statistics and numbers to indicate popularity of your product. When a potential buyer feels like other people are using your product, they gain confidence in it and are therefore more likely to buy it. Product popularity is proof that what you are selling actually works and is valuable. 3. Provide a simple and safe payment process. An online buyer is someone that appreciates convenience, privacy and security. For this potential buyer to finish the payment process, you will need to provide an easy and safe mode of payment. Avoid a payment mode that is too lengthy because those ones tend to make your buyer uncomfortable or irritated. Debit or credit card fraud is unfortunately part of the reason why people fear shopping online. You need to acknowledge that submitting payment details together with personal information is quite an ask from potential buyers. Use a reliable and safe mode to help the clients overcome this fear. Also, contact your supplier on the safety and various seals you can get for the buyer.